Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the SoundPeats Air5 noise cancellation earbuds. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery life, smartphone application and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of SoundPeats Air5, you will find the Air5 earbuds inside the charging case, a USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual, along with some stickers of SoundPeats mascot. Now talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing you will notice that how lightweight the earbuds are. Each earbud weighs just 3.8 grams, and since the Air5 comes with open ear design, it is very comfortable and you can use it for hours without facing any issues or discomfort. The SoundPeats Air5 is IPX5 water and sweat resistant, and the combination of two-tone finish looks quite beautiful and eye-catching. On each left and right earbud, there are 3 microphones provided, and beneath the SoundPeats logo on the stem, there is a touch sensor. Personally, I would prefer if instead of the glossy finish, the Air5 had the matte finished body. Talking about the charging case, it is very small and pretty lightweight as well, as it weighs just 37 grams. It comes with an LED light indicator, a USB Type-C port, and the magnets provided are quite strong. It does not come with wireless charging capability, and the charging case also comes with glossy finish that attracts a bit of fingerprint and smudges. Talking about the audio quality, the SoundPeats Air5 comes with the high-res wireless audio certification. It is powered by Qualcomm S3 audio platform with a Snapdragon sound and 13mm driver. We got the aptX adaptive lossless decoding, and because of the combination of all of these, the audio quality of SoundPeats Air5 is really impressive. I liked it even more than the audio output of SoundPeats Capsule 3 Pro Plus, as the Air5 provides good amount of bass while providing the very well balanced mids and highs. So it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it fully on SoundPeats Air5 for sure. When it comes to battery life, I got a bit less than 5 hours of battery life in one single charge. Using the case, you can charge Air5 4 times more, so you can expect to get around 24-25 hours of battery life in one single fully charged case and earbuds. The noise cancellation performance is also quite nice, especially considering the fact that it comes with an open ear design. Now talking about the smartphone application, in the Peats audio application you can check the battery status of the earbuds and the case. It just shows the battery bar instead of the numerical value. You can switch between the normal mode and noise cancellation. It also comes with 5 level of ear canal options that allows you to select the best audio quality depending on your ear canal. You can disable the touch sensors from the smartphone app. You can turn on the game mode to reduce the latency and get better performance while playing games or watching movies using the SoundPeats Air5. On both left and right earbuds, you can perform 4 different kinds of gesture on the touch sensor, and SoundPeats provide multiple options to select, so you can perform 8 different types of commands on SoundPeats Air5. You can also update the software of your earbuds from the smartphone application. You can reset it or select the prompt tone language between English and Chinese, as well as the prompt tone volume. And when it comes to voice calls, the performance of SoundPeats Air5 is once again quite nice, as it comes with total 6 microphones that provide AI call noise reduction. Overall, the SoundPeats Air5 is one of the best budget open ear noise cancelling earbuds, as the audio quality is really impressive. The noise cancellation is good enough. It is very lightweight, got a beautiful design with good enough battery life. If you are planning to buy the SoundPeats Air5, then you can visit the link given in the description of this video or click the one appearing on the screen now. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.